Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel, Cape Coral Cell Phone Repair TV. And we're going to briefly go over some set of tools we just got. Additionally, we got a nice t-shirt from REWA, and they also sent these Refox driver set. I guess they have seen our YouTube videos, seen us use these, just regular budget tools, which we didn't mind using, but boy, after we got these, we are impressed. So I'm going to go over briefly what we got, and this is basically 5 of them, and they're the essentials that you would need for phone repair. So we have here the Penelope screw, we got the tri-wing, we got Phillips, and we've got, I know we use this one also for our motherboard, the convex cross. So we got the Phillips and the convex cross, and we also have the star. So these are their RICE precision screwdrivers, RS1, and just because the name is RICE, repair is nice, RICE. And let's take a look, because they said once we start using these, we won't go to the budget anymore. But we used to go through these drivers, like we used to go through them like crazy. You can imagine when you're doing repairs on the daily. So, boy, these do feel a lot nicer on your hand. And let's see, let's take them apart here. Let's open them all up. Pretty excited to start using them. Right, and there we are. So first impression is, I like the fact that they are showing you what you have on the driver right at the top, and it's nice and big. I mean, it's as big as my thumbnail, so it's nice and visible to see. You'll know where's your Penelope, you know where's your tri-wing, and everything is nicely labeled at the top. Can't complain about that. And then also, they are labeled towards the bottom, of course. So, for example, there's your Penelope driver there. If you can see it on the lens. There we go. Right there. And man, they feel really solid. And one thing that really impressed me is that they feel solid, but they're not heavy. They're not heavy on your hand. I mean, obviously it's just a little bit heavier than this, but I mean, look at the difference. This is what we previously have been using, and we just bought inexpensive drivers just because we went through them really quickly. We just picked up whatever we had, but these are going to be our go-to right here. We like them. They feel really good. They look really tough also. They don't feel cheap. I mean, look at this. I mean, it's still freewheeling. Is that crazy? I mean, it's like it's running on a battery. That is totally cool. I mean, look at that. It's still freewheeling. That's how smooth. Is that crazy or what? But that's how smooth the top of these things are. I mean, it's still spinning. That's insane. It's still spinning. Anyway, that's good, because as you use them, you obviously want the top to, look at that, it's almost about to finish. You want the top to be able to spin on the palm of your hand, wherever you'd like to place it for your for your use. So I like that. They're very smooth at the top. I mean, this guy's still spinning. Can you believe that? Really cool. So we are going to start using them. So you'll start to see us use these more and more on our videos. They feel great. The magnetism is supposed to be one of the best. This is just on the back. Rust-proof, strong magnet, high hardness, and widely compatible. So we got the top 5 that we would most commonly use. Penelope, Philips Tri-Wing, also the convex cross, which we would use for motherboards, and the star driver as well. So there we have them, all 5, folks. REWA, thank you very much for the t-shirt as well. I like the way it feels. It's very soft. You got to tell me what material you guys have on that shirt, because on the label it doesn't say what it is, but it feels like it's the one that can wick sweat really good. So a nice quality. Also, if you guys haven't done it yet, check out their REWA website where they offer courses. We just took the one on the battery, all about iPhone battery replacement, because now, as you know, iPhone batteries are going to be a little bit more complex. They have been. Many shop owners or repair guys really haven't paid attention to it too much because, well, not that many new phones are requiring battery replacement, but it's going to happen more and more. So we just got our certificate, took the course. It was only $10 for this course online, and I got to give them a thumbs up on that. So thank you once again for that. Thank you for sending us these drivers, for sending us the t-shirt. As you know, we have been using your machine here when we use the different films that we install to check for any debris on the films before, or on the phone before we apply the films. But as we mentioned before on our review that we did on this product, this can be used for many other reasons, even for refurbishing. You have an ionizer, you have a fan, and then you can also use the UV light if you're trying to cure some glue. And of course, if you want to see better, you can use the white light as well. So 2 thumbs up on that machine as well. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.